Balentong Sakay po. My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
For today's vlog, we were invited by KL Chicken Wings. Ito yung Dau branch nila.
Yes.
Actually, they have 2 branches. The first one is in Angeles City. Napakalapit lang yan dun sa Angeles University Foundation. And then the second one is nandito sa One North, Dau. And yeah, we're gonna have great chicken wings. No, grabe. So if you wanna know more about this, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
Once again guys, thank you so much for being with us in this video. Nagpapasalamat din kami kay KL Chicken Wings for inviting us. There's a reason why, Mark, kung bakit dumarami yung mga chicken wings house. This time, I think people are looking for options.
At the same time, they are looking for another flavor na hindi usual sa panlasa.
Exactly.
So speaking of flavors, so on our table, so meron tayo ditong 6 flavors. So meron tayo ditong hot and spicy, soy garlic, meron din silang parmesan garlic, honey sriracha, siyempre yung favorite natin na salted egg, and lemon and garlic.
Wow! Sa mga pasta naman nila, so this is pesto pasta, and then the other one is carbonara. So actually sa menu nila, they have pasta and chicken wings. All simple, basic, walang masyadong complication. So right now, these are their best sellers.
Also, they are serving in 4 pieces, meron din silang 6 pieces, and syempre yung party trays nila na 40 pieces.
Wow! Available yung 4 pieces plus rice and a dip sauce. 149 pesos lang siya. Now for the 6 pieces, 162 pesos. And then for the 40 pieces, this one,
997 pesos.
Alright, so let's get into it. Let's dive into the chicken wings.
Yung una kong titikman yung kanilang salted egg.
Salted egg. Alright. So I'm gonna try their hot and spicy. Yan. Oh wow. Word of caution guys, it is really hot. It is spicy. Naman ha? Lambot. So first try ko guys. Hot and spicy. It is hot and spicy. So this is their soy and let's try it guys.
Masarap yung kanilang salted egg. Ganda din yung lasa niya. Same time, malambot yung chicken. Next to try naman natin yung kanilang honey sriracha.
So you mentioned malambot yung chicken. Actually, I can attest to it. Malambot talaga sila. Yes. So I guess for the soy garlic, yung lasa naman niya is very, very opposite ng hot and spicy natin. It is so mild. Most probably for kids, this is very recommendable.
Siguro kung ikaw yung tipong hindi mo kaya yung sobrang pero gusto mo naman may kick din, you could try this itong honey sriracha.
Honey sriracha, yeah.
Meron siyang konting spice at the same time may sweetness din.
Alright. Next for me is their garlic parmesan. So let's try it.
Ako naman gusto mo lang lemon pepper.
Wow! Again, very consistent yung ano nila, yung chicken nila. Not dry. Yeah. Yaman na, mahalago yung nasi. Available yung mga all-in-one meal nila. So you have your rice, your chicken, and of course a dip. So titikman ko naman itong kanilang lemon pepper. This one's fruity.
Nandun yung sweetness.
Yep.
Citrus taste. So let's jump into the pasta nila. So I'll try yung kanilang carbonara.
That's the classic carbonara. No? Ito naman, if you're the person na mahilig sa mga dahon-dahon, this one's very aromatic. Squeeze natin yung lemon natin. This one. Squeeze it. So, I think ipasa nila, they, partner it
with the chicken. Kasi it complements. So meron tayo dito mga kung gusto yung hot and spicy or yung sweet. At the same time natin medyo milky or creamy. So parang ang gandang tandem.
Correct. Alright, so there you have it guys, another option for all of you who are chicken lovers. This is another option for you guys.
So KL Chicken Wings is open from 10 a.m. until 10 p.m. Monday to Sunday.
Yes.
So they are available dito sa Dau and Angeles.
Yeah, dito naman sa Dau branch nila, I think parking would be a problem, no? Either mag-dine in po kayo dito or for a takeout, yes, they have a huge parking space for you. Yung sa Angeles naman natin, very accessible. Nasa sentro lang siya ng Angeles City.
So yung Dau branch na is located dito sa 1 North Dau.
Yeah, there you have it guys. If you like this video, if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and make sure to check out KL Chicken Wings.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace.